Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to unbox these two earphones. As you can see, these two earphones are from Plextone. Plextone is a gaming brand which mainly manufactures gaming related hearing aids like earphones and headphones, but this video we are going to shoot in English as this is an international brand, but later days we will try to make entire video in Hindi itself because I know my viewers are mostly Hindi oriented. And I remember a day when I answered to someone queries in comment section in English and they were like, can you please explain me in Hindi? It's nothing like that. If person is bad at English, he will be bad at every places. He may be good at maths. There are two kind of person, math person or an English person. But unfortunately, I am bad at both. So my bad. So without wasting much time, let's proceed and unbox these two. I think it will be good alternative to other earphones present in market or maybe. So let's check it out. Let me show you what you can expect something extra inside the box of gaming earphone. So let's start with G15 first. For the time being, I am keeping the G20 aside. So here is the earphone. As you can see, it is a wired earphones, but still you can notice these are with magnetic locks. That's pretty good. Along with it, you are getting some extra earplugs, and yes, this is something extra by splitting wire, and this can be used in computers while playing games, so it's a good thing. It is mainly for gaming purpose. So now let's move to G20. So you can see the colors are looking quite vibrant, and this also comes with magnetic lock feature. Here you can see the flat wires which are more durable, some extra earplug, and yes, something more inside this pouch. So here you will be getting an aux extending cable which is around of 900 centimeters, less than 1 meter, and one cable splitter as usual. So you can see what you are getting extra is this extending cable. So for this extending cable you have to pay some extra bucks. This is because these both earphones actually having some price difference, and that is around of 200. We'll reveal the price at last of the video, so don't forget to watch. Let me clean it so you can finally see these earphones. Both are following some different design. These are quite long in shape, whereas this one looks quite simple and small. So if you want to purchase any of these, I will surely provide the link in the description box below. You can buy it from Amazon. You can have a close view of G15. This is Plextone G15. And here is G20. So you have already seen what accessories you are going to get inside the box. Now let's discuss something out of the box. So friends, as far as sound is concerned, both are having pretty good sound, but G20 is leading G15 in terms of bass a little bit. If you are bass oriented person, you can go for G20. Now it's time to compare the mic. How can we left the mic? If you are a gaming person, then you can surely understand my concern that you need a good mic to tell your friends some magical words while playing PUBG, isn't it? So as far as mic is concerned, both are having HD microphone, so you can easily deliver your magical words to your friends and enemies. So now let's move to next one. So friends, now it's time to check for the durability. So as far as you can see, the flat wire is quite convenient and quite tangle free than other cylindrical wires, and also you will be getting a kind of L-shaped aux jack which is way better than that normal I shape, because in case of I shape it is going to be tear off from the, but if you will see the L shape, then it is not going to be bent like the other one, so it is quite convenient to use. So for durability, both are good. You can choose any of them. Now let's move to comfortability and look. So as far as look is concerned, for me G15 is better than G20, because if you will see the G20, it is quite bulkier than G15, and if you will wear it, it will be quite bulking from your ear. That looks pretty sick. So friends, In terms of look, I will prefer G15. Now, comfortability. Both earphone misses one thing in particular, and that is comfortability. Yes, if you will see the G20, it is quite bulkier, and when you will plug it in your ear, then it is going to be bulking downward because kind of long shape, and is creating like a moment in downward direction, and it is not going to stay for a longer duration. It is going to be fall off your from ear. And whereas if you will see the G15, it is also not much comfortable. As it is a gaming earphone, it should have designed way comfortable so it can be weared all day long. Still we have to compare, then G15 is far better than G20 because of its small and elegant design. So in look wise and in comfortability, I will go with G15. Now the last one and the most searched one on the internet. So you can see the current prices of both on the screen. So as you can see, G15 is having quite lower price than G20. And yes, this is a kind of spec, a non-technical spec that every Indian check before checking the technical specs. So why not? And I think it's good, better to do some research before spending our hard-earned money on some kind of stuffs that we are really unaware of. So let's wind up the video, and here's the conclusion. If you will see, then G15 is far better than G20. For extra extending cable of around 1 meter, you have to spend around $100 extra. So it is pretty good to go with G15 and rather than buying G20, because also I'm not feeling much comfortability in G20. So it's better to buy G15 here. So friends, at last I would like to say hashtag with me. It's a campaign running by YouTube to influence their viewers, by the video creators, to stay at home in this pandemic situation. So why to go outside and play PUBG with copes? Better stay inside, play quality games, spend your quality times and stay safe. So after this, I would like to tell some mandatory magical words that if you like the video, please kill the like button. If you love the video, hit the subscribe plus like button. And if you want to do more, just press the bell icon. We'll meet up soon with next video. See you soon. Bye bye.